Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add social media to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and click on online store and click on customize and click on theme settings, and now search here social media. Here you can see expand this, and then here you will be able to see Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok. So to add your social media here, for example, I'm going to add my Twitter. So you have to enter your Twitter account profile URL, and in this Facebook option give here your Facebook profile or page URL, and then click on save, and scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see my Facebook and Twitter have been added to my Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.